In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two AirPods to iPhone at the same time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting two AirPods to the same iPhone simultaneously is extremely simple. This is a feature that is actually built into any iOS device, so you will be able to connect and share the audio on both of the AirPods simultaneously. So, of course, make sure that you connect the first set of AirPods. So take them out of the case, and usually immediately upon placing them in close proximity, you will find the connect option. Alternatively, if your set of AirPods is already connected, then all that you have to do instead is to go into any audio player, and usually you will find the share audio option. So open the control center and tap share audio, or if you are playing something through Spotify, just go into the AirPlay icon and you will also see share audio. So usually you will be looking for an icon like this with a triangle and then a bunch of waves or lines. When you tap this icon, you will be able to configure share audio. When you tap this option, you will see this menu. Bring another pair of headphones or the iPhone or iPad they are connected to close to this iPhone. So all that you have to do is connect the new set of AirPods just like you connected yours previously. So place the case of the additional set of AirPods close to your phone when you tap share audio, or you can even place the actual iPhone or iPad that they are connected to. And once you put them in close proximity, they will be connected. You will see individual sliders for each of the AirPods. So you will see the first one here and then the second one. And you can mix and match models. So you can use AirPods Max, which are these headphones, and you can also have standard AirPods. Once they are connected, you can control everything individually, and all that you have to do is tap the share audio option. If this doesn't work right away, then make sure that they are properly being detected. You can also go over to Bluetooth and connect them through here. And as long as you choose the share audio option, you will be able to set them up. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two AirPods to iPhone at the same time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.